guys.
I have this for at home, this guma, and this thing for when we travel.
Okay, mommy is a sales agent.
Sa pag
I buy
nag-lake ka,
this.
sa lake, pwede mong lagyan ng mga meat, mga something, hot dogs. And then, sa park, you can put ice cream, different kind of ice cream. Tapos meron ka rin mga soft drinks. Kapag nagka-baby ka, you don't need strollers anymore. Just
Wow. It's cute.
What do you think?